Watch this messy napkin sketch. It is smoothly transforming into a precise digital wireframe. This is the exact process of building a fully functional web application today. You outline what you want, and the code writes itself, giving you a live public app in minutes without typing a single line of traditional syntax. To start, you only need a web browser, a Google account, and an idea. By removing the need to memorize and type code manually, you bypass the traditional programming bottleneck. You can take your concepts straight to reality at the speed of thought. Here is how that process begins inside Google AI Studio. Looking at this side-by-side comparison, you can see how a rough drawing of an interface uploaded from a phone camera maps perfectly to a clean digital layout. You can also achieve this by typing a detailed description in plain English. That generated layout is called the UI, or user interface. It covers everything a person actually looks at and interacts with on the screen. The AI's first task is purely spatial translation, evaluating your basic shapes and human intent and assigning them to structural coordinates. Once the AI processes your input, your workspace splits. You get a live, interactive preview of the app on one side and the raw code that powers it on the other. Let's look at how that code is actually structured. The foundation is HTML. It acts as the skeleton, dictating where the text, images, and buttons belong. Next is CSS. It applies colors, typography, and styling over that skeleton. Finally, JavaScript or TypeScript provides the logic that allows menus and buttons to react dynamically. As the builder, you only need to understand what these three languages do conceptually. The AI agent handles the heavy lifting of writing the actual syntax. With the initial code generated, you can immediately start clicking through the live preview to test your buttons and find areas to improve. When you spot something you want to change, you don't edit the code text. Instead, you type a request into this chat panel, like asking for dark mode, and the app instantly updates. This creates a tight, collaborative loop. By iterating through chat, you operate as a high-level creative director rather than a manual programmer. At this stage, your prototype is functional, but it is closed off. If you are building a travel planner, it needs a way to check outside information, like live weather or flight prices. To get that information, your app uses an API, or Application Programming Interface. This diagram shows how it works. Think of an API like a digital waiter. Your app sends a request to the waiter. The waiter fetches the specific data from a remote service and delivers it right back to your layout. APIs act as digital bridges, pulling in live data to turn a static prototype into a dynamic, useful tool. Your app also needs a way to remember information between sessions, such as a user's secure login details or a saved itinerary. For this, you instruct the AI to connect a database, like Firebase or Cloud Firestore. A database functions exactly like a highly organized, secure digital filing cabinet, meant strictly for information retention. Adding this long-term memory ensures your project retains user data over time, turning it from a temporary session into a persistent software application. Once the logic is sound and the data is connected, it is time to move your finalized code off the testing platform and prepare it for the public internet. Your first step is setting up version control via a GitHub repository. As this path illustrates, it works exactly like saving your progress at different levels in a video game. If a future update breaks your app, you can easily revert back to a working version. Establishing a repository provides a critical safety net, guaranteeing that your core application remains protected, no matter how much you experiment. The final step is deployment, taking the local app from your private workspace and publishing it online so anyone can visit it. To ensure the app runs perfectly everywhere, you containerize it. This means packing your app, styling, and logic into a single standardized digital shipping container. Services like Google Cloud Run then host this container on massive internet servers, generating a live web address. By automating complex server management into a single click, global web hosting becomes accessible to anyone with a completed project. The deployment progress bar completes, and the platform generates your unique public URL. Here is the visual proof. When you open that exact URL on a smartphone, you see the polished layout functioning flawlessly in the wild. Mastering this AI-driven pipeline gives you the ability to outline an idea, refine its logic, and launch working software as fast as you can describe it.